Let's dance. It's the last chance. This Friday night, the Wilkins Elks 577 Lodge Bar Bingo. It's the last one of the year, members and friends. Join us for a fun, festive evening. Who couldn't use a giant jackpot before Santa comes? Join us. We'll have drink specials, including our famous candy cane, lightning round bingos at the half, and our big 50-50. Bring a fun, festive snack to share. You make the best. We'll see you Friday night. It's the last one. First number called at 8 p.m. Last chance.